We begin to rise from Chevy.
Let's go to Stronghold. I see a scavenger bag that I want to pick up. Here when you get 5 kills in game, you can get 2 more donuts. You want 2 more?
Nigga.
2 more donuts, you get 5 kills.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I've been in my phone all this time. I'm gonna get out my phone.
What's that up?
Oh, I have. I'm gonna get out my phone.
I know you have.
I'm finna see, bro. I'm finna show you right now, man. I'm gonna show you something. What you want? How many you want? How many?
7. You gotta get 7. You get 2 donuts.
That ain't shit, nigga. I don't want them nasty ass donuts. Bitch ain't even fresh, nigga. Bitches ain't even fresh.
Hey.
And they get a load out.
Sorry, nigga can't even get 5.
I'm finna show you something, nigga.
Cover me, I'm buying loadout right now.
You ain't got that much money.
I got it.
You shouldn't have bought it. I got the card.
Shut the fuck up, I got it already.
Man, look, you dropped that bitch on my head. Appreciate you.
Somebody here. Somebody here. Somebody upstairs.
Look at you by yourself.
No, he ain't. He right here.
Oh, you right here with that.
He upstairs, wherever he at.
Damn, Trey. Got him, Kiwi?
Yeah. His teammate and grandma.
Come get your guns, cuz.
What the damn load at? Oh, okay. Somebody landed. Somebody just landed.
Yeah, he dropping in on y'all.
Two of them.
Bro, I got a whole fucking team up. Man, really? So I ain't killed none of them? Really?
Where they at?
And I'll load out over there. They up top when you hit that zip.
I'm finna see what
on the hill in front of the phone hole. Drop a precision up there.
I'm about to. Oh, they done ran. They in living quarters.
They're gonna
I'm going up.
Me too.
Let's go like these niggas up there.
Oh, I told me I got 16 more seconds.
Do it. To drop your thing.
Drop my, right here.
Right here on me. I ain't no way he broke. Kiwi like a bitch. He broke. 2 on me. 2 on.
Down one. Oh, I ain't, bro. That's why I need to play with my PP. Cause I done put that scope on. I done put that scope on that gun right there.
That bitch trash with that scope.
It ain't trash. It's just I made it for long range. It ain't quick enough.
I ain't know. That's how I did my PP.
Nah, my
PP.
You know,
I'm gonna take mine back off.
No, my PP fast. I'm talking about my horse. I made it to where it's a long range gun, so it ain't quick enough no more. For sure, Oh, they just gave me a I got a look. They don't even know the game up in the lad. What they at? I got me. I got an ash guy. Oh boy, you scared me, bro. Where they at?
They ain't 10, Anna.
I don't see nothing.
Who just stole my kill?
Air control.
I'm headed there.
Did you?
Stay right here.
Damn.
Down him. Yeah, 21. What floor you on, Kiwi?
I'm on bottom.
They on top. I got 2 on top.
I'm landing there. Somebody just landing there.
No!
Oh, he ran upstairs.
All them damn precision and shit. That bitch bird to bird.
Oh God. I got that check on me.
We're right here on the wall.
They on the boat. They on the boat.
They still here too.
That shit, that pissing me off.
Damn, Kiwi just took my kill.
How I took your kill out and fight with him the whole time?
No, you wasn't, cuz.
How they just running together? Alright, giving them no more. Okay.
Look at everything over here. Next! You with the 8 piece, I see you.
Told you, man. Hey, let go
I'm going to the next red dot, They right here in front of me too. Light them up.
Oh, they right up behind you, Joe. Green together. They on the loadout.
They dropped me.
That shit so fake, bro. It wouldn't let me use my precision. It be all that taking too long and shit. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, we still in the game.
Yo, fuck, nigga, I'ma oh! What kind of gun he got?
Oh yeah, they put us in. I don't see. Nah, you in here?
Nah, he probably laid out.
Oh. That bitch, look, he got it up here like you coming back in the game. Nah, you done left now. Your name gone now. It finna be over with, cause Kiwi at 9. He sorry for.
Oh, I got 8 kills, fuck nigga. Where y'all at?
I'm on top of control.
Right here, right here, right here, bottom, bottom, bottom.
I got one. Got another one. They're at the bottom, Kiwi.
On me, on me, on me, on me, on me, on me.
I'm coming.
Gotta survive, but you ain't getting up.
There's another one over here somewhere.
On me, on me, on me, on me. Oh, you gotta kill him, JR.
He dead.
Kill him. Help me up, help me up. I'm gonna pick up this gas mask right here.
I need a precision I saw over here.
I'm finna buy one.
Get a UAV.
I done bought a damn plate.
They're right here in front of me.
I got a PDS, so we can sit in the gas a little bit. My guns are not made for long range. The guns I got on your left, there, in that room.
Nah, they in there. Oh, that's for real. They over here too.
Back here.
They're finna try to run. I just dropped the precision on them.
Nigga beam me. He beam me. Oh, fuck. Hey, they are. Oh. Could've played that.
Oh, I almost had him, bro. Come on.
You've made it to the top 10. Three squads left in the war zone. Stay alert.
Oh, it closed? No, there. I bought you back. Hey.
Coming back, on the way back.
2 people at the buy station. 2 people on the buy station. They on the buy station. They coming from the gas. They gonna be behind you too, girl. They cracked though. I was about to say, cause I know they ain't have no arm. I had a gas mask. Hey, one more down there. They all down there where you at. Oh, you got good ground. You got high ground. You got high ground. You got good ground, there. Come on. Hit the shots, baby.
I know that why I'm up here.
Oh, this a dub. This a dub. Damn. Don't worry about him. Got a self-revive. Oh, I thought he had one.
Yes, sir!
One more. 2v1. Yeah! Come on, man. Yeah, take a picture of that,
so you
nigga.
did miss out
Take
on
a
that
picture of
dub.
that, nigga. And we ran 3 people.
Yeah. Yeah, you missed out on that one, bud. Kiwi, man, you had 11P.
I know I was going crazy at the end.
11P.
At the end, man, I was going crazy. I had a gas mask.
Yeah, we had 11, both of us.
That nigga had 10.
He had 10, the other dude had 10. It was smacking. I'm gonna take a picture.
I think I'm about to
What? Oh, my bad. Third.
He didn't touch nothing.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets.
Control. Buy weapons. Pro. Fire control.
Hey, we gotta watch out. There's one above us.
Yeah, I know. I see.
This side. Supply box UAV is inbound.
He right there.
I got him.
Redeployed. Well done. Enemy counter
Self-revive right there when you come back.
Overload.
I got self-revive marked.
Go for Lodi, guys. Go for Lodi. Money Trop on the buy station. Money Trop right now.
I got 10 G's. I need more.
More, please.
I got you here.
Where y'all want it at?
Trop.
Up top. It don't matter.
Alright. Let's get on top.
And I won my last match, so. I got this last
Enemy counter UAV inbound.
They got load out down there.
Alright.
Gas is inbound.
What do you do? What's up? I see you playing Call of Duty earlier. Get my gun. No, I'm talking about my gun. Bro, I just won my third game. What are you playing? Alright. Yep. You good? Alright, I'll see you later.
Strike.
25 are still active in the AR. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect.
Wait until they come back up some louder. And we need to go with person.
What kind of gun is that, bro? That gun.
Hey, Blue, watch out now. Green just got killed over there.
No.
Hey, Yellow, we got 1 or 2 on us.
On top. Oh my God.
Bro, no fucking way. He's hurt. He's plating up. He's on top. Come on, Blue, get up. Yep, good shit. I think he's down right. Yeah, good shit. I'm falling back.
He said, no way. No way.
Hey, what the fuck?
I need it.
One.
I see him.
Bandera.
Stupid. Oh. Hey, come pick me up.
I got you. I gotta go down. I'm gonna go drop down and get a self-revive.
Hey, about me one too. Oh my God, I ain't take his head off.
Goddamn airstrike.
Jangan di masain yang mana sih?
Hey, y'all, this is one.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Yeah, get your ass the fuck out of here.
Whoa, what? We didn't see that coming, bro. Still alive, still alive.
Oh, we got you. I'm not worried about that smoke. Hey, y'all drop on the rooftop, cause I got a
Right there. Nice, nice. Coming on rooftop right now.
Hey, there's one right here, right here.
Nice, nice.
Hey, I'm gonna go buy them back.
Stop, watch out. Thank you, man.
Shit, that bitch just closed on me. That fucked me up. God damn it. Oh, fuck me. Blue, you got... yeah, y'all ain't gonna get to me. My fucking gas got me.
Ah, they had some custom rounds on.
Right there in front of you, to your right.
Hey, good job.
Alright, run it back.
Alright, big, run the back.
What people? Both of them. Hey, did y'all do that last night, man? Nope.
Yeah, you need to get them bitches.
Gawin jelas ya yang energy. Gambar masih.
Know he was even in the corner.
How the fuck did I get you? What the fuck?
왜? 왜? 난 마마.
Eddie. Want a bio? Copy that.
Oh.
You have reinforcements inbound. Secure the supply boxes. Locations are marked on your tac map. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Supply box secured. Move to the next one.
Bro, chill.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. One supply box remaining. Move to secure. Contract complete. All supply boxes found.
Ah, pues a lo mejor tenemos que cambiar.
Yes!
You have reinforcements inbound. the area. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead. What's your fire? Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
Go buy us, bro. Go buy us.
squad mate is redeployed. Well done. Squad mates back on station. UAV overhead. Squads active in the field. You have reinforcements inbound.
No, no.
You have reinforcements inbound.
You're stupid, bro.
Fuel the supply. Locations are marked on your tac map.
Yeah, but man, fuck you, bro.
Thought you was right now. Yeah. I lit his ass up.
Get the fuck up.
Your squad mates are redeploying. Don't miss your shot.
Yeah.